Abby, what are you doing?
Smoking.
You're smoking? Really? Where'd you learn this at?
From Uncle Mikey.
Oh, okay. Well, he
From
really...
Uncle Mike.
Okay, have a seat. Wow. Man.
Mikey was smoking out there when he come here.
Yeah, he did. Oh, okay.
That's why I'm teaching him.
Oh. Is that your ashtray right there? Oh, it is. Do you like cigarettes? Do they taste good? They do? You like getting smoke in your lungs? Okay, say, alright, I gotta get back to smoking.
Alright, I gotta get back to smoking.
Okay, take a puff. Take a puff of your cigarette.
No, we're farther southwest. Let me take another look at that one.